Hello lovelies, welcome back again to this channel. I hope you all are doing so well. Today I'm so excited to share with you a simple egg sauce recipe. This video is going to be so special, so stay tuned and learn something more, and please comment down below so that me too I will learn something from you guys. And today being your first time, welcome back to this foodie channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm prepping some fresh tomatoes, so I'm removing the seeds from it because I don't want it to take long whilst cooking it. I'm going to remove the seeds so it makes my life so easy. If you don't want that, just leave it just as that. Next, I'm going to prep some onions, green bell peppers, carrots, and some red pepper. To a heated pan, let's add in some olive oil and our diced onions. Stir fry for at least 2 minutes on the medium heat, and add in your grated garlic and ginger. Guys, the aroma this stew is giving me right here is something else. You don't want to miss this recipe at all, not at all. Next, I'm going to add in my diced tomatoes and also my chili pepper. This is very hot pepper, that's why I'm using just a little. Cover it and let it simmer for at least 5 minutes on a low heat. And after 5 minutes of steaming it, just look at how the tomatoes has released its juices. Just look at that. The smell is giving me right here. Guys, you don't want to miss this recipe at all. I'll cover it for additional 5 minutes on the low heat, and by then I'll be adding in my vegetables. Next, I'm going to give it a quick stir and add in my all-purpose seasoning and a salt to taste. And always remember, the salt is always to your taste. Cover it and let it simmer for additional 5 minutes on a low heat. Whilst our stew is boiling, let's go ahead and crack in some eggs. And I'm using 6 eggs in this recipe. You can use less or above depending on the amount you are preparing. So I'm checking for my stew after 5 minutes, and I'm going to add in my eggs. If you really want the scrambled egg you're looking for, don't whisk your eggs. Always drop it just as you're seeing right now, and leave it on a low heat for it to fry or cook very well before you stir. You can leave it to cook for additional like 1 minute before you stir. So as you can see, I'm creating a hole or creating some spaces in it just to make way for the eggs to cook very well. As I said in the beginning, gently stir so you don't break your eggs. Next, I'm going to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Cover it and leave it to cook for additional 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, just look at how our eggs look nice and well cooked. At this point, our stew is nice and ready, but for me, I'm going to leave it to cook for additional 1 minute, and our stew should be ready by now. You can see some of the eggs were not well cooked, so that's why I'm going to leave it for additional 1 minute for you to cook very well. I will be enjoying this egg sauce with some rice. You can choose to enjoy it with some boiled plantain, potatoes, or boiled yam. It works perfectly fine as well. Just look at how nice our sauce has really cooked very well. I'm going to set it aside because it's ready, and I'm going to enjoy myself with some cooked rice. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you family for watching this video to the end. I love you so much. Stay connected so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified and you enjoyed my recipes as well. Thank you and stay blessed.